Our parent company Comcast reporting earnings of $1.21 a share. That's 9 cents better than estimates. Revenue of $29.69 billion was below expectations. And then as a launching point for what we can talk about, there is a lot, as there always is in this multi-faceted company. Some of the highlights, I guess, we'll talk some of the things that stood out to me were the studio business, tough comps for movies after a really strong quarter last time. Andrew, look, it's up a little bit now at $40.32. Some of the things that I saw, a lot of the core businesses of Comcast in terms of broadband connectivity, you may not have seen the same growth that you saw during COVID, but basically holding on to the gains that were made during COVID. Video subscribers, once again, was down. The company has not been chasing unprofitable video subscribers at this point. I think it was down another, 400,000 or so to 13 million, which is amazing that we're all the way down to that. At the same time, Peacock once again had revenue of above $1 billion and subscribers up 38% from a year ago, but sequential with the last quarter, because I guess the company would say it didn't have a tent pole in the current quarter to bring in subscribers, which I think they're referring to that one NFL game that they had where a lot of people signed up.
The company also points out they've got the Olympics coming up, and that's
And by the way, there's another game in September.
Up too.
Another one in September. But I guess I'm trying to look at the big picture. Peacock's coming along as the cord cutting is continuing, and that's what all these companies are trying to face. A couple of other things. I mean, it was the highest ever adjusted EBITDA margin across connectivity in platforms. Wireless continues. Is that, Sorkin, that's a growing business at least. Big numbers, big growth there. But is it going to be enough to show that Comcast has some units that are growing quickly? Is wireless enough of a business?
To 7.2 million.
But is that enough of a business to make up for? Remember, the growth in broadband connectivity for businesses was phenomenal, and that's why the stock ran up to $65 a share. It's down below, was below 40 until this morning. It's up $1 now at 40. So you wonder how to view the company. We've got a great business, but where do you get the growth from here on out? Will you please say something about the parent company, Sorkin, instead of just letting me?
I'm letting you, you know.
Why?
You can hang yourself by yourself. I don't need to do anything.
Talk a little bit about the
Yes,
studios.
please.
We didn't get to the studio revenue. It did decline. There was a tough comp there for the quarter, too. You said the studios. I'm sorry. We didn't do the theme parks.
Theme parks also moderating.
Yeah, it was down following a record 2023. They said the massive demand from the parks post-COVID is starting to pan out a little bit. No major new attractions in 2024, but they are launching Epic Universe in 2025. So we'll see what that brings, too. And have some new attractions in Japan and Las Vegas and at the Universal Kids Resorts in Texas.